A shortage of police vehicles in St. Ann continues to be a major problem for the parish. The issue was among the points raised at the latest sitting of the St. Ann Municipal Corporation. Here's TVJ's Shamela Pullen.
About 60 police vehicles have been assigned to the parish of St. Ann. However, at least 50% of those vehicles are not working. The problem has councillors in the St. Ann Municipal Corporation worried. At the corporation's monthly meeting last week, councillor for the Claremont division, LAMBERT WEIR, explained that in his division alone, the Claremont police station, which serves at least 44 communities, only has one vehicle. But that vehicle does not even belong to the station. Councillor WEIR believes this is unacceptable given the crime situation in the area.
In the back section of Steerfield, and the type of little shops houses are putting up. And during the night, see your gunshots firing. And citizens spoke to me about it. And I've spoken about it several times. And I haven't seen any change. And you're seeing strange faces just popping up in the community and other communities.
He says more patrols are needed, especially in the Trafalgar and Steerfield areas. Head of the St. Ann Police, Senior Superintendent Calvin Small, says the vehicle assigned to the Claremont Police Station was sent for repair, but he did not say when it will be back.
The area is vast, and you are correct. So I have been to a community meeting up there recently.
And you know
where I was told, you should have been there, where I was told that if, for example, the vehicle is on one side dealing with something and something is happening on the other side, then there might be some issues. So it is something that we want to address.
SSP Small says he understands the concerns raised and he will be working with his team to do more patrols in crime hotspots. But as for Councillor WEIR, the problem is much bigger since the vehicle shortage is not just affecting Claremont.
I also understand, and this is something that I have noticed, this aid station, which is St. Ann's Bay, a lot of broken down vehicles, police vehicles that is inside the parked area in the station. And if the aid station is like that, what do you expect to see in the stations that are in the hills?
He wants the police high command to intervene.
That they must look at St. Ann and see how best they can deal with the shortage of motor vehicles for the police to carry out the proper work. Yes, I welcome the repairs that is being done at the Claremont station. I welcome that, right? But the vehicle is very important, because if you don't have vehicles, equipment for the police to work, they cannot be effective in different communities.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.